Ito po ang ating Graco Carrier. Okay, good for 6 months old up to 13 to 15 kilogram. Already washed and ready to use. Wala po itong faded, wala siyang discoloration. Okay, so hindi lang po namin alam kung ano po yung exact model po niya. So ito po yung details po niya one by one. So ito po yung setup po niya. Ayan, black na black, and then meron siyang hood if in case na maambon o malimuom. Ayan, meron siyang butones dito.
Air mesh din, no?
Okay. So, mesh type po yan. And then, ito yung kanyang support sa shoulder ni parents para hindi siya masakit. Ayan. So, meron siyang belt lock dito para pang support po yan.
Ang gaan lang, lightweight.
Yes. So, ito yung likod niya. Ayan. Again, mesh type po yan. Dito nilalagay si baby. Ayan, may support siya rito. And then, ito yung kanyang belt lock sa waist ni parents. Ayan. Adjustable po siya. Kahit siguro malaking parents dito no? Okay? Ayan. Ganda pa. So, this is budget meal Graco Carrier. Okay? So, sa mga naghahanap ng branded na carrier, yet budget meal lang po. So, this is for you. Again, this is already washed and ready to use. As you can see, very details po kami sa aming pag-video kasi kami siya policy no refund or exchange. What you see is what you get. So, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and God bless po.